You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these phrases from Cantonese, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing Chinese words and names, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. How do you say it? Fuk Hing. Fuk Hing is how you say it. The K is almost silent to the word Fuk, meaning fortune. Fuk Hing means luck, fortune, and prosperity. Fuk Hing. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.